In this video clip, we learn the autoregressive modeling used for forecasting. The idea is to take advantage of autocorrelation. First-order autocorrelation is the correlation between consecutive values. The second-order autocorrelation is the correlation between values 2 periods apart. For the pth-order autoregressive model, we have yi equals a0 plus a1 times yi minus 1 plus a2 times yi minus 2 plus etc. plus ap times yi minus p plus delta I, a random error term. Here is an autoregressive model example. We have a company that has acquired a number of office units over the last 8 years. We want to develop a second-order autoregressive model. So here, we put the year here, then we have yi minus 1, and yi minus 2. We can use Excel to estimate a regression model. We use yi as the dependent variable and yi minus 1, yi minus 2 as the two independent variables. Then we can obtain coefficients as follows. We can use the second-order equation to forecast number of units for the year 2010. So we plug in the y values in 2009 and 2008. We obtain a forecast 4.625. Here we run an autoregressive model with Excel or phstat. We create a lagged variable. We call it lag1. Here for 2003, we have the value from the prior year. Here, we copy the values down. The first year, 2002, has no value applicable. We use numbers not applicable. Then we have lag2 from here. No values for the first 2 years. We can use data analysis, and regression from here. For easier forecast, we use phstat, regression, multiple regression. Y variable, we use B4 through B9. X variables, we use C4 through D9. Be careful, we don't have labels for our data in this part. We check ANOVA and the coefficients table. We check confidence interval estimate and prediction interval with 95% confidence level. Then we click OK. We obtain the equation here. Okay, to forecast, we click the CIE and PI. Here we need to tell Excel our X1 and X2. Our example, we have X1 6, X2 4. They are for the earlier 2 years. So we put 6 here and 4 here. We obtain the forecast 4.625. Here are the autoregressive modeling steps. First, choose P. The value of P typically is small, like 3, 2, or 1. Then we form a series of lagged predictor variables yi minus 1 through yi minus p. Next, use Excel to run regression model using all p variables. Then we test significance of AP. If null hypothesis rejected, then this model is selected. Otherwise, we decrease p by 1 and repeat.